Local news for Friday the 28th of August. The Wellington Down Syndrome Association have announced that 3 recipients for their 2020 Francis Clark Memorial Awards, one of which comes from Wairarapa. Masterton's Ava Saber will be presented with an award at Government House in October in the 8 to 16-year-old category. This is the 30th anniversary of the awards, and Director General of Health Dr Ashley Bloomfield is scheduled to attend. Medlink and Snapper have announced that Total Mobility customers will no longer be able to use their Snapper cards as payments methods for their taxi fare. The policy comes into effect on Monday. Total Mobility customers will, however, still need to continue to present their Total Mobility card to their taxi driver in order to receive a discounted fare. And a new date has been given for the Boss Bruce Springsteen show at the Carlton Event Centre, will now take place on the 7th of November. Meanwhile, the Featherstone Expo has been postponed with a future date yet to be announced. In sport, it's semi-finals weekends in the Hottest Effort Cup. Carterton will have a week off with Pioneer unable to field a side this week, while East Coast host Gladstone. In the Tui Cup finals, Marist host Matamura and Greytown will host Ekarahuna. And good luck to all involved. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.